first Wilshire moment was from an employee who started with us in 2010, and she was relocating back to San Luis Obispo to be close to her family. She actually had, her mother fell ill who was in town, and so she had to take off time to take care of her mother. She also had to take time to take care of her husband, who also had some injuries and was off of work. She got an illness herself, but of course taking care of everybody else, ignored her own symptoms, and after a year of dealing with her illness, her doctor forced her to take time off. At that time, she had no more PTO. Her PTO had been depleted because she had spent so much time taking care of her family. And as I'll read what she put. While I was out, there were a number of Wilshire angels that stepped up and donated their hard-earned PTO, so I wouldn't have to worry about living without a paycheck. Nothing I ever thought about, nothing I ever expected, without batting an eye, my coworkers selflessly gave to me. And she said, no matter how hard the days get, no matter what life throws at me, I will forever remember the spirit that these angels gave me. Now I get what a Wilshire moment is for me. All of these things that we do for our customers, our patients, for each other, and all of those in between. This isn't just a job, it's a family. So. The next Wilshire moment was an employee who has a mother with a debilitating disease, who is resistant to care, and she had a trauma and needed some home care to keep her out of home. So best cares nurses, home health aides, therapists, social workers, convinced, they were sent out, and they actually convinced the mother and the father to accept the care. They worked with them, gave them some wonderful options to help them, move forward in their care planning and their health care. They opened up regarding a lot of the challenges that the parents would not have normally opened up to anybody. It was my mother. That's why I'm a little emotional. But even when she had to go into the hospital for a procedure, Best Care monitored her, they followed her, they knew when she moved from the hospital into the next steps and then back home, and they've been there for her throughout. And without a family like this, that would not have been possible for my mother, and who knows where she'd be now. So thank you. That's